Then I am sorry to all victims kung hindi ko na-investigahan isa-isa yung case nyo.
Okay, salamat, Colonel Garma.
Mr. Chair,
So,
Mr. Chair.
yes, Congressman Abante.
I want to appreciate Colonel
Puso mo, brother.
Okay, kay Raquel Lopez. Ma'am, a while ago, we heard na sinabi niyo po kanina na bakit nilalamay yung patay na binanggit ni Colonel Gama. Is this true? Na bakit nilalamay yung patay?
Tinood, Your Honor.
Na, so,
nagsabi siya nga, bakit isa lang patay dito? Marami sila.
marami sila.
Wag dyan ako nakalimti na yung isulti, Your Honor.
So, parang,
Kasabot man ko kay, bisag Tagalog to gamay, kasabot man ko.
okay. At si baby, si baby Rosales? Rosales, I heard you were saying yung sinasabi mo, yung nakiramay naman siya at nagpadala ng bulaklak. Correct?
Hindi po.
Ano yung sinabi niyo po kanina?
Nagpunta lang po siya doon. Galing po siya sa Karakil.
Okay.
Galing siya doon. Pagpunta niya doon, siyempre yung mga tao, nakita sa mata, marami kasi sila mga pulis. Di, tumatakbo. At saka yung lamisa, tinumba. Niya sabi pa niya doon, sabi niya doon, ayaw niyang pag-asugalan yung patay. Gusto niya yung pag-dasalan.
Okay.
Oo,
so,
sabi.
inalis niya yung sugal, tinumba niya, tapos sinabi niya, dapat walang sugal. Kailangan,
Yung patay, pag-dasalan daw.
pagdasal.
Oo.
Okay.
Maya, malis na po sila.
Sino siya? Siya mismo, si Garma? Si Colonel
Oo,
Garma?
siya po. At saka yung mga niya, mga kasamahan.
Colonel Garma, nagawa mo ba yan? Nagawa mo yan? Considering that ikaw
Yes, Mr. Chair, kasi almost every night po, umiikot ako para makita ko yung sitwasyon po dun sa area po ng Cebu City.
Okay. Binabasa namin yung yung affidavit mo that you have
Mr. Chair, bago
Yes.
yun, with your indulgence, can I just ask
Yes,
one question?
sure.
Colonel Garma, ganito yun eh. Ako, alam mo, ayaw ko na ng sugal eh. Kalaban ko ang isabong, kalaban ko ang pogo eh. Ayaw ko ng sugal, illegal man o illegal. Ayaw mo rin, di ba? Ayaw mo ng sugal, tama ako?
Yes po, Mr.
Ba't ka naging manager ng PCSO?
It's different. Can I explain?
Sugal yun eh.
again?
Huwag na mag-explain.
Yes.
Sugal yun eh.
Because it's for lottery. It's a lottery game for...
Hindi pinag-uusapan yan. Ang pinag-uusapan natin, sugal. Tama ba ako mali?
The question kasi po is...
Ang pinag-uusapan
explain.
natin, sugal, Colonel Garma.
generally, Mr. Chair, yes, ayoko po.
Ay, nako.
Generally.
Okay, yun lang.
Yes, okay. Colonel Garma, maikli naman itong affidavit mo. And kanina, nabigla din kami dahil nga meron kaming na-receive na affidavit coming from you. And probably it's just right that we discuss itong sinumpaang salaysay mo. Can you kindly narrate to us kung ano itong mga... Kasi pag binabasa ko, parang complete...
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
point of order. Tapos na po ba tayo sa mga victims ng EJK? Kasi a while ago, the Honorable Manuel was prevented from asking questions regarding that affidavit. So, Mr. Chair, what are we going to do first?
Based on the list that I have, the interpellators for the victims, or the victims' families, the last was Congressman Dan Fernandez, and then meron pa pala. I'm sorry. I have to correct this record. There are two more interpellators, Congressman Lordan Suwan and Congressman Ray Reyes. So we will proceed. We will continue with the victims, and then go back to the affidavit. So, Congressman Fernandez, can you hold your peace for a while?
No problem, Mr. Chairman. I just thought that I'm the last to interpolate,
Yeah,
and that's the reason why
it's
I
my
asked
bad,
them, and
my
then
bad.
there's no
That's-
more
Mr. Chair.
interpolators, and that's the reason why I'm going to open up the affidavit that we just received.
Okay,
Just
okay.
this moment.
Mr. Chair,
Yes,
there is a request that if we already finished in interpolating the victims, if they could be able to go, Mr. Chair. That's the request.
I guess.
don't know.
Yes, I guess. I think it's the Rise Up Philippines who took care of them, no, coming here, and will also take care of them going back to Cebu. So we still have 2 more interpolators for the victims. So this is Congressman Lord Dansuan. So you're going.
Mr. Chair, my questions are for Ms. Royina Garma.
Okay.
Not for the
Okay,
victims.
copy. Thank you. And Congressman Ray Reyes. Is Congressman Ray Reyes still around? No, since he's not here, then therefore, that concludes the interpellations on the victims. Then we will now proceed with the affidavit submitted to the Quad Committee by Colonel Ruina Garma. In the meantime, the
Sir Chair,
Family.
may we excuse the
Yes.
the Rise Up and
Mr.
other victims probably?
Chair.
Yes,
Kasi iba na po yung topic natin
that is
ngayon.
correct, yeah.
Mr. Chair, can I,
Thank you.
before they go, can I make a statement? Just brief, sir.
Sige, make it brief and
Yes,
short.
sir.
Ha?
Sa tanan biktima, katong panahon nga ako
Tagalog,
City
in Tagalog. Speak to
Bisaya
them.
kasi kasabot sila Bisaya, sir. Katong tanang biktima, wala na ako control tanan na akong tao. Yes, it is true, I am the city director. But lahat ng station commander are also tasked to implement the war on drugs. Merong mga station commander in charge. Now, pangutanan ninyo ang sa ako gibuhat as city director. During that time, tanan sila, ginahatagan na mong seminar, ginatudluan na ako. Kapag abot na ako sa Cebu City, talaga wala good sila kabalo. Unsa ang pagbuhat, unsa buhaton. That is why, pag nainahitabo sa inyo ha, at it appears na mga pulis na ako ang involved, ginatas ang NBI to take cognizance so that kung sakali man ang resulta ng investigasyon is not favorable sa inyo, at least sasabihin ninyo, the investigation is fair. So I always, the crime scene is always open for the NBI to take cognizance. And nandun po palagi yung aming crime lab, which is a separate unit, which is not under my supervision and control po, to take cognizance sa crime scene. Yun po yung nangyari po sa Cebu. And I am very sorry in behalf of my men na nagkamali sa inyo. I'm very sorry. But I cannot control all of them. Lahat sila trained police officer. Alam nilang rules of engagement. But alam mo, once you are in the ground, you will always use your discretion. Hindi mo yan talaga, instinct yan ng tao, discretion. At nakita ko rin naman na ginamit na nagkakamali. Inaamin ko may nagkakamali. Pero pinagbibigyan ko kung saan nyo gusto file ng case, pinagbibigyan ko, hinahayaan ko. At lahat po yan na-process ang crime scene. Which is not under my control ang crime scene. Separate unit mo humahawak niyan. Then I am sorry to all victims kung hindi ko na-investigahan isa-isa yung case nyo.
Okay, salamat Colonel Garma.
Mr. Chair,
So,
Mr. Chair.
Yes,
So,
Congressman Abante.
I want to appreciate Colonel Garma for apologizing. No? But I just would like to correct her. Because she said a moment ago that she believes in the constitutional right of these victims. Now she is saying that they know the rules of engagement. What rules of engagement are you talking about here? The fact is this, Colonel Garma. Your men, and that includes you, violated the constitutional rights of these people. Now, that is not the rules of engagement of the Philippine National Police. If that would be the rule of engagement, then this committee will amend and look at the rules of engagement, because that is wrong. The rules of engagement of the police must abide with the constitutional right of every victim. Yun lang, Mr. Chair.
Okay, salamat, Congressman Nabante. So tapos na po yung ating pagtatanong sa ating mga pamilya ng biktima sa EJK. And with that, I'd like to thank Rise Up Philippines and Attorney Conti, Attorney Colmenares, at side dito po sa ating mga pamilya ng biktima. Yes,
Salamat din po sa Quad Committee. Maari po bang i-recognize din namin yung ibang pamilya na sumama po kaninang umaga at yung iba po sa kanila ay nandirito pa ngayon para po ma-recognize lang po. Salamat.
Sige po, pwede pong tumayo ang mga pamilya ng biktima. Kanina po ba sila dyan?
Opo, kayo na po.
Kayo po ba'y nakakain? Meron hong pakain na pinabigay si Congressman Dan Fernandez. Oh. So maraming salamat po sa
Salamat
inyong
po.
pagpunta rito. At kung magkaroon pa ho ng isa pang pagdinig tungkol sa usapin sa EJK, inaasahan po namin na kayo po'y babalik. Maraming salamat. Thank you for coming. So we will now proceed with deliberations on the affidavit submitted to the committee by General Manager Rowena Garma. So 1 minute suspension.